And welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. This week in class, the topic of Brexit came up yet again for about the 1 millionth time in the last 5 years. And a couple of my students were asking me how I was feeling about our imminent departure from the European Union. And I said that, to be honest, after the coronavirus crisis and the economic hit that the country is going to take as a result of that, personally, I think the last thing we need is the kind of Brexit deal, or actually, I suspect, the kind of no deal that we're going to end up getting. I commented that I think it was a colossal act of self-harm on the part of the country, and that basically we were shooting ourselves in the foot. If you say that someone is shooting themselves in the foot, you mean that they're doing something unintentionally, something that they didn't plan to do, but something that's going to have a very negative effect on a situation for them. I guess the idea is that the nation is like a body and that the nation can shoot itself in the foot. To give you one more example, last Saturday all of the pubs here reopened and quite a few pubs had special sales to try to pack in the customers to make up for all the business they'd lost during lockdown. What then happened, of course, was it got very busy. Drunk people aren't very good at socially distancing. There were fresh outbreaks of the virus, and now some of those pubs have to close again. Basically, they shot themselves in the foot. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about situations where you think someone has shot themselves in the foot.